Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. As you already know, I am Ruchika and today I am here at Gurugram, Manesar, ITC Grand Bharat, which is a tribute to modern India. It's a luxury hotel, one of its own kind, and it is the only hotel which has all suites. It has no rooms. It has altogether 104 suites. Out of 104, there are only 4 presidential suites. Rest all 100 are luxury suites. And the luxury suites have 3 categories. Category 1 is the suite with gazebo. Second is the suite with terrace. And the third one is the suite with pool, which is the second topmost after the presidential villa. So I have got today the suite with the pool. And the most important thing I would like to tell you is that this hotel has a palace kind look. So as soon as you enter the hotel, you start getting those vibes. And it has a big golf club, which is a classic golf club. So now I will be giving you the show round of my suite. So let's get down the stairs. So this is my suite and the suite number is 3015. As soon as you get inside the suite, it's a beautiful fragrance around which makes you feel so heavenly. And when I got inside, I was really surprised to see that they have already decorated the room, the living room, for my birthday. Actually, my birthday is over, but I am still celebrating my post-birthday. So it is the post-birthday celebration for which they have put the balloons here, the cake is here, my photograph is here, and fruits are here. They have decorated the table as well with the rose petals. Here also I can see some of my favorite pictures they have put and some amenities to welcome me, some savories and some local sweets. Every corner of the living room, if you look at, has a wonderful view. It has a wonderful architecture, wonderful decoration, wonderful artwork. So now I will take you to the bedroom, which is even more decorated. But before that, I will also show you the ABC juice which I have got as a welcome drink and this bottle of wine. So I will definitely be enjoying it with my family. But yes, I told you I'll show you the bedroom, and the bedroom is even more decorated, which really made me mesmerized to look at it. I'm feeling so happy as if it is my birthday today. So here they have made the tall art, which is very exciting. Happy birthday to me. Balloons, again my pictures, and here miniatures of my pictures, which is really so wonderful to look at. They have also put the pillow of my name, which I will show you. Yes, it is Ruchika. Now you know who I am. Yes, I am Ruchika. With this, there is a sit-out area, which has a wonderful couch to sit and enjoy the evening tea and enjoy the view outside the window. It also has beautiful decorations on both the sides, which makes this sit-out area so complete. With this, I will take you to the most interesting area of my choice, which is, do you really know it? Let me show you. It is the pool. As I told you that it is the luxury suite with the pool. So here is the pool, which is sanitized very frequently so that everybody is able to maintain the hygiene. And as you can see, it is really so hot. It is is the summer season going on. So I would love to take a dip in the pool. It is my personal pool. They have also put the sunbeds here, which I can enjoy if I come in the winter season. But this time I will be enjoying the pool more. So you can have a full view of the pool and the view of the palace as well. Staying here for a few days will give you the feel as if you are living in a palace and you belong from a royal family. Definitely I am going to enjoy it a lot. Now I'll show you the other areas of the suite. From the bedroom, connected is the walk-in closet, which has a huge mirror to get dressed. Again, here is the dressing area where I can dress up. Here is the wash basin for him and her. Here is the WC. With this we have the bathtub and the shower area here. And from here also we can directly reach the pool area. This is the best part I like about this washroom, that directly it opens to the pool. After using the pool, I will not be going to my bedroom and getting it wet. So this is the best thing. Now if you ask me, what is the tariff of this luxury suite? What do you think? What it should be? As I told you that it's one of the best hotels, and today being it weekend, it is absolutely sold out. So the prices would definitely not be less. For this suite, actually the base category rooms start with the tariff of 40 to 50,000 rupees per night. But the suite which I have got, the luxury suite with the pool, has the tariff of 70 to 80,000 for per night. And as you already know that I am an Ambassador Elite member, so I have got an upgrade, and the hotel has offered a very special price for me. So I am getting all these benefits. I have just paid 20k per night, and in my previous video I have already shared with you all how to get all these status, elite status, and with the elite status comes the benefit. So you will be able to enjoy all the benefits which I am enjoying only if you have the status, elite status. For that you need to work on it, you need to exercise it, you need to try it. So call the Marriott people, Marriott team, and take up the 16 days, 16 night challenge, and then you will attain the elite status, and you also will start getting the benefits like early check-in, then complimentary breakfast, then lounge I think is not there in this hotel, but definitely late checkout is there. So to enjoy everything, you have to subscribe to me so that I keep uploading more informative videos. Keep liking, sharing with your friends so that they are also aware about all these things and bring luxury in your life. So I am going to get into the pool. It's time for me. Do you also want to enjoy the same? So yes, this is the time. You have to book a suite in the hotel. Come here, enjoy the life of a prince or a princess. You can be a king and queen as well. So live your life king size. This is the time. Thank you. Bye bye.